Rightio, I reckon it's about time for a catch-up.
Yep,
What do you
good
think?
idea.
Yes, g'day everybody, welcome back. So where are we at? Today is Sunday.
Yep.
It's a nice day, beautiful, about 24 degrees. Yeah. And the riders of Tasmania are heading down to Bruny Island today, and I was so looking forward to it. I was going to take my Ducati. I've even given it a bath, lubed up the chain, and it was all ready to go. And what happened? Well, you're back. Is back.
Yeah.
So on Friday night, I felt fine. I went to bed Friday night, and then I woke up Saturday morning, and I was doomed. Bloody back's killing me. I don't know what's going on.
No.
But it's fair to say that it's starting to settle down now. Go for a ride? No, I can't take that. I can't take any risk. So I've decided to stay at home.
Yeah.
Good move. But of course, that also means that I can't risk doing any physical activity. So I'm not going to do any work on the GS1000 today.
Best not.
Because it means shuffling motorcycles out and dragging the work table and da-da-da-da. So I've decided to give it a big wide berth. Good idea.
So what have you been up to?
What have you been working on? Well, a little secret project. I don't know how good it'll be, but I got the idea from somewhere. I just can't remember where the hell it was.
Yeah, I wonder.
Idiots. Got to have a bit of fun. Anyway, that's all I wanted to do, just let you guys know what's going on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.